Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. People have used ginger for thousands of years to treat ailments, and add an earthy flavor with a spicy kick to their food. Ginger is native to Asia, and belongs to the Zingiberaceae family of plants, and people typically use its edible root or stem. It is also an ancient herbal remedy that people have used for a host of ailments, including arthritis, diabetes, cough, colds, and nausea. Here are 7 health benefits of ginger tea. Number 1. May protect your brain. Scientists have studied ginger's protective effects against oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 factors that play a decisive role in the development of brain degenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's disease. Gingerol and shogaol may offer protection against age-associated decline of brain functions due to their antioxidant properties. Ginger extract may increase cell survival against beta-amyloid, a protein closely related to Alzheimer's disease, that can induce toxicity in brain cells. Number 2. May relieve pain and inflammation. The compounds in ginger called gingerol and shogaol help reduce the production of pro-inflammatory markers. Ginger tea may also help alleviate menstrual cramps, if you take it at the start of your period. Number 3. May have cancer-fighting properties. Ginger may help prevent cancer, mostly due to its gingerol and shogaol content. Gingerol and shogaol may contribute to ginger's cancer-fighting properties by causing cell death and preventing cancer cell multiplication and growth. Ginger may affect several different types of cancer cells, including pancreatic, colon, colorectal, ovarian, prostate, and lung cancers. Number 4. May help manage weight and blood sugar levels. Consuming ginger has beneficial effects on weight and blood sugar management. Ginger may help manage body weight. In addition, ginger may help improve blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes and obesity by reducing fasting insulin levels, hemoglobin A1C, and triglycerides. Hemoglobin A1C is an indication of your blood sugar levels over the past 2 to 3 months. Number 5. May help manage blood pressure and support heart health. Research suggests that consuming ginger in daily doses of 2 to 6 grams may help protect against heart disease. Number 6. May provide relief from motion sickness. Folk medicine suggests that ginger tea can help calm motion sickness symptoms, like dizziness, vomiting, and cold sweats. Naval cadets unaccustomed to sailing in heavy seas determined that those who received 1 gram of powdered ginger reported reduced vomiting and cold sweating. Number 7. May alleviate nausea from morning sickness or chemotherapy. Gingerols in ginger can help relieve nausea caused by pregnancy, chemotherapy, or surgery. Ginger might be an effective and inexpensive alternative to traditional anti-nausea drugs in people who are pregnant or undergoing chemotherapy and can't have conventional medicines. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.